That's a very scary ghost, Em. Can I see the ghost? Can I see him move around? Can you make him move back and forth? What's a ghost say, Em? No. Ghost. What does a ghost say? Ooh. You're so silly. You want Mommy to put him back up? No. All right. What you need, baby? No, no. There's nowhere for him to hang under there. You want me to hang him somewhere you can reach him?